This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh yesterday felicitated a 12-year-old boy who is the youngest student to clear the Class 10 examination conducted by the Manipur Board of Secondary Education. Isaac Paulalung Moan Vaipei, who hails from Kangwai village of Churachandpur district, cleared the high school leaving certificate examination with 72% marks. The minimum age to appear for Class 10 examination is 15 years. However, 12-year-old Isaac was given permission as a special case to appear in the examination. The boy had earlier undergone a psychology test at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal. The results showed him of having an IQ of 141, which is considered to be of superior intellect and development functioning. Two more persons from East Khasi Hills District in Meghalaya have recovered from COVID-19 after testing negative twice. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed last night that 31 persons have recovered while 11 cases are active in Meghalaya as of now. The Meghalaya government yesterday announced the reopening of restaurants, cafes and food outlets barring those along national highways, barber shops, beauty parlours and salons from the 22nd of this month. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the Deputy Chief Commissioners will regulate the schedule and timing of operations. Markets along the Assam-Meghalaya border will also reopen from the 29th of this month in keeping with safety protocols. In Assam, employment opportunities will be created under the Jal Jeevan Mission. Talking to All India Radio, Public Health Engineering Minister Rihon Daimari said the skill development trainings will be imparted to the youth who have returned from various places during lockdown. Over 13 lakh households will be connected during the current financial year. Our correspondent reports that the centre has sanctioned over 1,400 crore rupees to Assam for implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission. The Assam Human Rights Commission yesterday issued notice to the Upper Assam Division Commissioner to inquire into the condition of relief camps where about 7,000 people have been put up following the gas blowout and fire at Baghjan oil well. The Commission had received a complaint about the pitiable condition of the 12 relief camps which lacked food and drinking water facilities. The inquiry report should be submitted within 2 months, highlighting the steps taken by the Tinsukia District Administration, the Commission said. Devotees and sadhus will not be allowed to enter the Kamakhya Temple in Guwahati during the forthcoming 4-day Ambubachi Mela from the 22nd of this month due to COVID-19 pandemic. The 4-day Ambubachi Mela will be held at the temple with only priests performing the rituals. The Kamakhya Temple was closed for devotees since the 20th of March in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak and the subsequent nationwide lockdown. 2 more persons tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim, taking the total number of cases to 70 yesterday. Both had recently returned from outside the state. Of the total 70 COVID-19 cases in Sikkim, 66 are active and 4 have recovered from the disease. The novel coronavirus cases in Arunachal Pradesh inched towards the 100 mark with 4 more persons testing positive yesterday. The virus count in the state has reached 99, of which 92 are active and 7 persons have recovered. All the new cases were reported from quarantine centers. The patients who had returned from outside were asymptomatic. Over 1,800 employees of the National Health Mission in Nagaland called off their indefinite agitation yesterday following assurances from the government to fulfill their demands. The employees under the banner of the National Health Mission Employees Association Nagaland were on cease work since Sunday, demanding a regularization of their services, pay parity and all basic benefits in line with state health employees. Nagaland Health Minister S. Pangyo Phom has assured to fulfill the demands while asking for time so that the government could work out the modalities. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.